Okay, Mo, let's get up to speed. A recent automotive news article talks about the challenges that dealerships are facing right now. It's really this triple threat of high interest rates, excess inventory, and expensive vehicles. We're also seeing that dealership profitability is down. How can dealers improve their bottom line?
Well, I think with the availability of a lot of the new strategies and tools, increasing the close rate is a great place to start. And recent Cox Automotive research shows that dealers who use an omni-channel approach see 53% higher closing rates from digital retailing. And early results from Deal Central, our AI powered solution, confirm that with users of the solution seeing about 2 times higher close rate driven by a streamlined deal making process.
Mo, you and I have talked about Deal Central behind the scenes, and I feel like in many ways this is the next frontier for dealers. What is it about this type of approach that drives better results?
I think it's the fact that it gives the shopper what they want, and that's a connected shopping and buying experience where they feel like they're in control of it. And now I say feel like they're in control because a lot of the dealers I talk to have this fear that they're giving up control to the shopper, but it's really the opposite. A true omni-channel approach enriched with behavioral data like the one Deal Central enables keeps the salesperson connected to the customer. With a guided experience informed by real time updates, you can seamlessly put together a deal that makes sense for the shopper and for the dealership. So you can collaborate on the deal side by side with the consumer, literally or and figuratively, whether they're online or on their phone or in person. You have the right consumer intel and the right guardrails in place for your sales team. It's easier to get the win or to call a customer's bluff or know when you should, fold and get out of the game because ultimately these are all going to boost that bottom line for the dealership. And these types of collaborative deal making processes accomplish, two main things. One, for the consumer, it builds trust, which helps keep the deal moving. I don't want it stalling out. And it also gives you, the dealer, more control than ever. The end result is negotiations go smoothly, quickly, and they're more profitable.
Mo, I want to thank you for talking to us today on Up to Speed.
Thank you for hosting us, Emma.